How is it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, today we have got another news regarding the One UI 7 update for Samsung phones, and unlike the last video, today I've got some really good news for the Galaxy users, especially in India. So if you own any of these Samsung phones and you're waiting for the One UI 7 update to arrive, then make sure you watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, right now I have the Galaxy S24 Plus with me, and as you can see, this device is currently running the One UI 6.1, which kind of looks outdated after the release of One UI 7. Here in India, I haven't got the update on my phone, but the good news is that if you really want to know when your Samsung Galaxy will get the One UI 7 update, then all you have to do is just go to the Play Store and install the Samsung Members application. It's an official app from Samsung and it is completely free to download. So just make sure to install and check whether it is running the latest version or not. Once that is done, simply open the app and here you need to log into your Samsung account. After that, you will see this interface where we have got different banners on the top, and below you will see all the offers and discounts related to Samsung. Now in order to check the update schedule for the One UI 7, you just need to tap on this announcement icon that is located at the top right corner. If you have updated the Samsung Members app, then you will see a brand new notification here in regards to One UI 7 update. All you need to do is simply click on it. That's it. Here we have got a direct announcement from Samsung stating that we would like to inform users about the One UI 7 update with Android 15 for Galaxy smartphones, and here is the detailed information with all the eligible devices. First we have got the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6. These devices will get the update in the month of April, but they have not confirmed the actual date. So it could be in the 3rd or 4th week of April, but the good thing is we'll be getting the update this month itself. Then we have got loads of devices which are getting the update next month, which is May. Some of the devices are Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, and even for the S21 users, Samsung is planning to roll out the update in the month of May. Then for the Galaxy A series and M series of smartphones, you can expect the update to arrive in the month of June. Guys, if you want to see the entire list, then you can simply open the Samsung Members application, and I'll also make sure to drop the screenshot in our Telegram group as well. Now below the eligible list, they have also mentioned that updates scheduled and eligible models could be changed if we encounter any issues through the ongoing process, and the update may also be halted for a while if any serious bug were found. So this is something which might happen and we have to keep that in mind too. So that's pretty much it for this video. This was a quick video regarding the One UI 7 update, and I really hope we all get this major update really soon on our Samsung devices. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.